Can rodents damage HVAC systems? Yes, rodents can chew wires, build nests, and block airflow, which can damage HVAC equipment and make it stop working well. Rodents can cause a lot of trouble inside heating and cooling systems because they look for warm, hidden places to live. They may crawl into ductwork, air handlers, and outdoor units, then use soft materials to build nests. When they chew on wiring, they can damage the parts that help the system turn on and run safely. That can lead to short circuits, broken parts, or even a system that will not start at all. They can also pack vents and ducts with nest material, dust and droppings, which makes air move less freely through the home. When airflow gets blocked, the system has to work harder, and that can raise energy costs and wear the unit out faster. One thing many people do not realize is that rodent urine can leave a strong smell that keeps coming back when the heat or air conditioning turns on. A good habit is to check around the unit, look for droppings, listen for scratching sounds, and seal tiny holes near pipes, wires, and vents. One common mistake is waiting until the system breaks before looking for rodent damage, because by then, the wiring or insulation may already be ruined. A better move is to inspect the unit before each season and call a technician if you hear chewing or rattling. Another mistake is thinking a small hole is no big deal, but mice can squeeze through spaces that seem tiny to us, so even a little gap matters. Sealing openings with sturdy materials and keeping plants and clutter away from the unit can help a lot. People also forget that traps alone do not solve the problem if there is still easy access and food nearby. The best tip is to remove nesting spots, close entry points, and keep the area clean so rodents are less likely to return. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.